Hello, and in this video I'll show you where and how to set up your feed-based Amazon channel. If you followed our preparation video, and I know I speak about this a lot, you should all have the required information in a folder on your desktop when you reach this phase, okay? Now the whole process for this setup should take a couple of minutes to complete. First, you need to go to creator.amazon.com. To publish on Amazon, you need an Amazon developer account. If you don't have one, please look out for our video about creating an Amazon developer account. If you already have one, click sign in. Click on create a new app in the upper right hand corner and choose the feed option. From your TV Boss Fire account, click edit channel, and from the main channel page, copy the Amazon Fire TV field URL. Paste it in and Amazon will validate the feed. If everything's okay, Amazon pulls in all the required information from the feed generated by TV Boss Fire. Of course, you can play around with these settings, but it's not recommended. Now, if you make your setup properly in TV Boss Fire, Amazon has all the information and the correct information for every field. After the field is validated, click on Create. From this page, you can preview your channel, click Finish, or choose to edit how your channel will look on Amazon Fire. Unfortunately, Amazon doesn't give many styling options, but you can still play around with some colours if you wish. You can choose a light theme or a dark theme, you can play around with the colours, and so on. I want to focus on this screen because I want to show you the categories. Now you can see we only have one category, and the category appears exactly as I set up the tag that I've used in TV Boss Fire. And if you remember our tutorial about how to add videos, you remember that we talked about tags. I spelled the tag travel tip with lowercase letters, so in the Amazon settings it appears as travel tips spelled exactly like that. If you intend to publish your channels on Amazon Fire, we recommend spelling. For example, capital T, then RAVEL, with capital T, IPS using uppercase letters. Second of all, remember not to use any special characters or spaces when the feed is updated on Amazon. Our category will look normal and more appropriate. When you finish your initial setup, click Finish. To submit the channel, click Publish. And on this page, you can change the branding images of Amazon filled in by the default and extra screenshots that you need to have a minimum of 3 of. Fill in the required information. Finally, check all the relevant check marks, and when you're done, click Publish in the App Store. It can take from 24 hours to a couple of days, but they usually respond within 24 hours. If your channel has already been approved, it's like it's live on Roku. Amazon will usually approve your channel unless they find special characters in your setup or if they find any copyrighted content. Now that's it. Publishing a channel on Amazon Fire takes effectively only a couple of minutes. See you in the next video.